What's going on, everybody? My name is Mario. This is a channel all about amusement park type stuff, but mostly coasters. And today we are heading to Knott's Berry Farm. Again, the main reason I'm here is to check out the newly renovated Fiesta Village section of the park and maybe check out some of the rides there that I haven't been on in a while. The park does look absolutely slammed. Hopefully the crowds aren't too terrible and we have a fun day.
Let's talk about amusement parks, like rides, it rides in the dark. Rides right here, it rides all over, but mostly coasters, mostly coasters. We'll talk about all kind of things, but mostly coasters.
So far, everything looks super nice. Lots of color all around. The floor was just like, what was it, asphalt before? Now there's color all around. The new paint schemes for the rides look really awesome. You got some really cool statues too. You have a new stage for little shows and whatnot, and everything is just so much more vibrant, so much prettier than I remembered it. They have a fun little puppet show actually going on, marionette show rather, in the little main plaza area right across from Jaguar. There's a nice river running through the area with a fountain, which is super nice. I don't know, everything is so much better than it was before. There's also at least a couple of these water spigots which make it nice and easy to fill up your water bottles, which I absolutely love, so that's a nice new touch. So unfortunately, one of the rides we won't be able to go on is Montezuma's Revenge. That is not reopening as part of the new Fiesta Village. It'll be opening later this year, I think, maybe, but still gonna check out some of the other rides. And first thing we're gonna check out is Hat Dance, one of the cuter spinning teacup style rides out there. Very festively themed to hats and dancing. And of course, just like the rest of the area, very, very vibrant colors on the individual ride vehicles. Looks awesome. That was fun. I think that's only like the second time I've ever done that. Pretty good, pretty good. It's the only type of dancing that I'm able to do, that's for sure. Next up, we're heading on the Flyers, which I have never been on before. The little re-themed swing ride. It looks like any other swing ride out there, but it looks very nice. And it'll be fun to do a new ride at a park that I've been to a ton of times. These seats are so teeny tiny. I feel like I'm in like a baby high chair. The open coaster in the area is Jaguar, although I don't know that we are gonna ride that because it does have like a 90-minute wait. That's pretty intense for a family ride. But there is like mist going off in the top of the pyramid. So that's something I've never seen, which I absolutely love, a really nice touch. And again, just like the rest of the park, some touch-ups to the appearance of it as well. So now we're gonna grab some food. There's a lot of food options in Fiesta Village. Not many open right now. This is actually the only one. And I will say I would love to see some menus because we're not sure entirely what is actually served here. So it seems like the two things they offer in addition to all these little desserts is either a burrito or a bowl, kind of in a build-your-own style. But this indoor eating area is super nice. It's awesome that you can get out of the hot sun on summer days. So I definitely love that touch. And again, everything visually so far has been such a nice change from where it was before. So that was a nice filling meal. It's nice that the burrito itself is on the dining plan. I think there's so many fantastic food options at Knott's Berry Farm that I don't know how frequently I would visit this location, but I do think it is an upgrade from the burrito place that was in Fiesta Village before because it is build your own, so you get to customize it however you like, and I really like that aspect. So overall, pretty good. I'm also here with Drew from Parks Bros. How's the flan?
Very good.
Yeah?
It's very good. The burrito itself...
I didn't ask about the burrito.
The burrito itself, I would say, is like a solid 6 or 7 out of 10.
Okay, I would
It's
agree.
good. It's decent. Flan, that's like a straight up 8 or 9. Easy.
And this taco place is not open currently, but it definitely looks like it has more variety of food than where we ate. And I honestly think I would probably like this a lot more. It looks really, really tasty. I'm excited for whenever it does open up. And in addition to all of the new appearances and food offerings, there is also new merchandise in the area. And a lot of it looks really awesome. I honestly can't say that I've ever seen Jaguar merch before, so that's kind of fun. Or Montezuma's Revenge. I think this might be my favorite shirt so far. I really like this simple wash design. It looks nice. So yeah, we're pretty much finished up in Fiesta Village, but I've always said that Knott's is one of those great parks that you can just go to and have fun at regardless of whether or not you're riding things. It's just a fun ambiance. Probably the only part that was really lackluster was Fiesta Village before, and they made sure that that's not the case anymore. Got a massive facelift, everything looks nice, and there's only more to come, so really great. But Fiesta Village is not the only thing getting some nice touches. I noticed a lot of the park has some really vibrant landscaping. These flowers are super pretty, and I've seen a lot like them all throughout the park. And now we're continuing our trend of going on tame rides today. We're going on Sky Cabin to get some good views of the park. A lot of the major rides have quite hefty weights. So yeah, we're just kind of enjoying being here, and I don't really have any footage from the sky. So we're gonna go do that now. So there's definitely a handful of other rides that I would love to go on that we didn't get on last time, including the Timber Mountain Log Ride, but a lot of the waits are just so long that we're gonna go on Calico Mine Ride instead. More foodie stuff. I got a strawberry Moscow Mule. This is one of the things offered on these tasting cards that they have for Summer Nights, which is a tasting event. They also have music and stuff at night, and this is really delicious and refreshing. But that does it for our day at Knott's Berry Farm. I highly recommend going to Fiesta Village, especially if you haven't been in Knott's in a while. But thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe and turn on notifications for more content like this. And until next time.
Flan.